Today we're going to talk about one of the most exciting battles in the automotive industry. The fight for dominance in the electric car market. And no, it's not between Tesla and the traditional automakers. Today, we're talking about the new giant that's taking over the entire world. BYD, the Chinese electric car giant, is dominating Tesla. Do you want to know how and why? Stay with us until the end of the video to find out. For those who aren't yet familiar with BYD, let's start with a brief introduction. BYD, which stands for Build Your Dreams, is a Chinese company founded in 1995. It started as a rechargeable battery manufacturer, but today, BYD is the largest producer of electric vehicles, EVs, in the world. And yes, that includes Tesla. But how has BYD achieved this incredible growth? By 2023, BYD had surpassed Tesla in global electric car sales, selling more than 1.86 million electric vehicles compared to Tesla's 1.31 million. This represents a 150% increase in sales over the previous year. So, what exactly is BYD doing right to achieve this success? Let's take a look. Vertically integrated production, the power of controlling the entire process. Unlike many of its competitors, BYD not only manufactures cars but also produces its own batteries and electronic components. This allows it to keep costs low and control the entire supply chain. It's a huge advantage. Tesla has also tried to verticalize its production, but BYD is already several steps ahead. Innovation in batteries, the Blade battery technology. BYD has developed the revolutionary Blade battery, a lithium iron phosphate battery that is safer, cheaper, and more durable than traditional lithium-ion batteries. This technology has caught the attention of many, including Tesla, which is now considering using it in some of its models. Price and accessibility, vehicles for everyone. Another big difference between BYD and Tesla is their focus on price. While Tesla has focused on the premium market, BYD offers a wide range of vehicles, from affordable cars to luxury sedans and SUVs. This allows it to reach a broader audience, especially in emerging markets like Latin America, Africa, and Southeast Asia. Aggressive global expansion. BYD hasn't just stayed in China. They are conquering the world. In 2023, BYD aggressively expanded its presence in Europe and Latin America, opening factories and sales points in countries like Germany, Norway, Brazil, and Mexico. This has allowed it to quickly capture market shares and establish a strong base outside its home country. Why exactly is BYD a threat to Tesla? As mentioned earlier, BYD has surpassed Tesla in electric vehicle sales. But it's not just about sales. BYD is producing at a much faster pace than Tesla, with a focus on diversifying its product offerings and expanding its global presence. This gives it a competitive advantage in terms of economies of scale. BYD understands emerging markets very well, places where Tesla has not yet managed to establish a significant presence. These markets represent the next big wave of growth for the electric vehicle industry. BYD is well positioned to capture a significant portion of this growth. Another key factor is the strong backing of the Chinese government for BYD. China has established favorable policies for electric vehicles, including subsidies, charging infrastructure, and strict environmental regulations. This has given BYD a very solid base to expand globally. Tesla is not sitting idly by. The company is implementing several strategies to remain competitive against BYD. Tesla is betting heavily on innovation. They are working on developing new battery technologies, such as the 4680 cells, which promise to be more efficient and economical. They are also exploring new models, such as the Cybertruck, to attract different customer segments. Tesla is accelerating the construction of new gigafactories in strategic locations, such as Berlin and Texas. These factories will not only increase production capacity but also reduce costs and delivery times, strengthening its global competitiveness. Let's not forget that Tesla still leads in the race for full self-driving autonomy. TS's focus on developing advanced software, like full self-driving, FSD, remains a significant competitive advantage. So, what can we expect in the future? BYD and Tesla will continue to compete intensely for dominance in the electric vehicle market. While BYD continues to expand and capture emerging markets, Tesla will keep innovating and aiming to maintain its technological leadership. The big question is, who will be the undisputed leader in electric cars in the coming years? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, this battle will be epic and exciting. And what do you think? Do you believe BYD will continue to dominate Tesla? Or will Tesla reclaim its position as the undisputed leader? Leave your opinion in the comments, we would love to know what you think. Don't forget to like this video if you found it interesting, subscribe to our channel, and activate the notification bell. Thank you for joining us.